All right, outdoorsmen, we are at Colonial Williamsburg, checking out the start of our day here. Have some really cool colonial gardens there behind me, so we're gonna get busy and check things out. Let's get outdoors. Here you can see the rounded bricks that are made to actually finish off the top of the wall. Check it out and see what's on the inside there. In colonial times, this was a powder magazine where they had to have buildings to keep their powder for their guns and cannons dry. So by having a building like this, it also kept them safe from stray sparks. So very cool building, and they're working to finish the wall around it. There you can see what would have been the area's local church, and then this main street there off in the distance. You can see the former most popular mode of transportation. And then there would certainly have been buildings that would have lined this street, and back in the day, the entire area would have either been dirt or lined with these cobblestones. Cool how they would have painted these houses red. Oh.
And then so I finally found a plumber to come the next day because most plumbing companies were closed. But I found it was like a
Here you can see a common way in the past that they would have used to supplement brick. They actually took either oyster shell, or in this case it was some other seashells, and would have crushed them and then used them to serve as a way to keep mud down as people walked by. See him cut that U-turn. Ooh, in the same room, or? All right. Okay, everyone, we are here for our lunch. We're in the basement of Shields Tavern. There's a big fireplace, but the ones at our house are just as big or even bigger. So super excited to try lunch. Excited to get back outside. Here you can see a massive Compton oak in the common area at Williamsburg's colonial space. It's a beautiful old tree, very, very big. Oh, that's cool. can tell you that everyone in here is dead. All right, here we are at the Christmas Peddlers Village, and we are checking out lots of things that different artisans have crafted and are selling. So we're gonna walk on through this, see what we see. Well, definitely if you lived in colonial times, you would have wanted to keep a cow on your property if at all possible. That one maybe for milk, and maybe that one for meat. So good to keep them on the property. All right, here is kind of the southern limit of the William and Mary campus here in Colonial Williamsburg. It's a little disappointing. There are other parts of the campus that are far more modern. I definitely like the older look of the campus far better. All right, outdoorsmen, wrapping up the walking tour of Colonial Williamsburg. Certainly hope you enjoyed the video footage there, all the history. It was cool to see it all ready to go for the Christmas season. I hope you have the opportunity to take a look at the illumination video that has already posted. That was super cool, and I wanted to get that out. So it was great being with my wife and seeing all that there was to see there in Williamsburg. Until next time, get outdoors.